Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming requirements: iOS 13 Plus and a CarPlay-capable head unit. Once done, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone because wireless CarPlay needs both. If your car doesn't support wireless, plug a certified Lightning cable into the car's USB port. Make sure the car is in park or accessory mode so the system accepts a new device. This gets you into the initial connection phase quickly and avoids repeated pairing attempts. Next, you authorize and set up CarPlay. Open Settings, go to General then CarPlay, and tap your vehicle when it appears. That tells iOS to trust this car. Meanwhile, follow the prompts on the car's display to allow the connection and grant necessary permissions like contacts and location. This is why maps and calls work smoothly. Once paired, customize the app layout from the CarPlay settings so frequently used apps sit front and center for safer driving. Finally, verify CarPlay by launching Maps, making a test call, and playing audio. This confirms permissions and audio routing. If it doesn't connect, restart your iPhone and the car's infotainment system, then toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. USB users should try another port or cable. Make sure Do Not Disturb while driving is disabled unless intended. If problems persist, remove the vehicle from iPhone CarPlay settings and repair. That often clears stubborn.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.